Learn Persian fast. What is?
چیست؟
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus practice. Today your magic key is the English question, what is, which in Persian is.
چیست؟
Buckle up and get curious. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask crisp definition questions like a pro. English, what is? Persian.
چیست؟
For pointing. What is this?
این چیست؟
For that thing over there. What is that?
آن چیست؟
Mini dialogue. Jump into a quick, funny scene. A. I found this tool. B.
این چیست؟
A. It's a bottle opener. B. Nice. And that shiny thing.
آن چیست؟
A. A disco ball for hamsters. Obviously. Pronunciation hack. Say it with confidence and a smile. Tip.
چیست؟
Rhymes with gist. If you insist, ask chist to get the gist. Colloquial bonus. What is it? Can be.
این چیه؟
In casual speech, but today's star is formal.
این چیست؟
Add a gesture. Open palm, eyebrows up, and say.
چیست؟
Instant curiosity mode. Drill time. You repeat after me, short bursts, big gains. What is love?
عشق چیست؟
What is your name?
نام شما چیست؟
What is this?
این چیست؟
What is knowledge?
دانش چیست؟
What is truth?
حقیقت چیست؟
Speed round. Point at something near you and ask.
این چیست؟
Culture tip. Get a taste of how the phrase shows up in the real world. In Persian literature and daily life you'll hear big, curious questions like,
حقیقت چیست؟
what is truth? And techie ones like,
هوش مصنوعی چیست؟
what is AI? Curiosity is classy. Use.
چیست؟
To unlock definitions anywhere. Quick compare. Avoid common mix-ups with similar question words. Who is?
کیست؟
Who, not what. Where is?
کجاست؟
What. Single word.
چه؟
Definition vibe. English, what is, equals Persian.
چیست؟
Quiz time. Test yourself, answer out loud. Fill the blank. What is your name?
نام شما.
Answer.
چیست؟
Translate. What is this? Answer.
این چیست؟
True or false?
چیست؟
Means, where is? Answer. False. It means, what is? Speed. Say, what is that?
آن چیست؟
Challenge and wrap up. Let's lock it in and celebrate your progress. Challenge. Today, ask 3 real objects. What is this? In Persian.
این چیست؟
Bonus. Try a big idea like, what is knowledge?
دانش چیست؟
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
چیست؟
Stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and cultural gems. See you next time.